Hello, this is Tyrell Tachibana, and today I'm going to be going over making a Makefile, which is essentially typing a word and running a command or a bunch of commands on the command prompt as if by batch. And to demonstrate, I will be using a C++ program because that is usually where a Makefile comes in handy. Now I'll go ahead and show you my test application that I made just for this demonstration. Here you can see in my main method that I have a class that I've declared, and then I'm running a single method within that class. And here you can see my class definition where I've declared a single method that's public. And here you can see where I've defined what that method will do, and it's couting, doing something I promised, and ending the line. Now you'll see that if we try to compile the original main method all willy-nilly, you'll notice that it's not finding the class files or the references to it. So in order to do that, we'll have to create an object file, which you run by doing g++-c, and then you'll do this for every single class that you have declared. So I have one, but if you have 10, you'll have to list each and every one. And then here, if you run ls, you can see that we now have an object file. And then we'll run g++ again, and then we'll add each object file for each class. So it'd be temp.o. You'll see that it compiles, and we'll go ahead and run it. And you'll see that it did exactly what I programmed it to do. Now this is exactly where a Makefile comes in handy. Now it is very important that you follow this naming scheme. It has to be a capital M, and if you make it this way, the make utility will be able to find it and run all the commands within it. So here you'll see that I'll create a method called all, and then it's very important that the next thing you do be a tab. Can't be 2 spaces or 4 spaces. It has to be a tab, otherwise the make utility cannot read it. Then we'll run g++-c temp.cpp, and then we'll run g++-test.cpp and temp.o from the object file created by the command in front of it, and we'll go ahead and name this file test. Now for good measure, I always like to add a cleanup method that removes all the files you no longer need. So we'll go ahead and run remove test and all object files. Okay, that should be my Makefile. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the a.out since we're naming it now. So I'll run make. Oh, I messed up. This should be -o. Okay, now I'm going to run make. Alright, and you see we now have the binary test. And you can see that test is doing something. And so, in order to clean up the files, you'll run make clean, which removes all the files, and you see I'm back down to my 4 files, which are my 3 originals plus my new Makefile. And just real nice and easy, make. You can see I now have the object file and the binary. And now I can run it, and it does it. Super easy, super simple. I hope this helped. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.